launch rockets. I was there one day launching on campus between some buildings.
Yeah.
Like 5 of their rockets ended up on top of the buildings.
Yeah. That's a goner. Oh, there it is. I see it.
It's gonna hit that bird.
Yeah. Oh, right there.
My eyes are so
Right on the road.
Right on the road.
Did it hit the road? Oh, there it is.
Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Watch out.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now, was there supposed to be a parachute?
It's going a little bit towards the road here. Sunshine and beaches. Oh, there we go.
So they did an investigation. Quest did. So they're gonna send. That was a D. Good job, Gary.
Where'd it go?
Where did it go? I think good job. Oh, there it is. Uh-oh. That's on the beach. I think that's on the beach, Gary.
Good luck, Rocket Man. Good luck.
Yeah, like
He returns empty-handed. Indeed, a sorrowful day on the beaches of Hawaii for the lone
videos together. I have to
Rocketeer.
go through a lot of material like this. We've got a lot of B-roll.
Yes, he is the footage reaper here.
You filming?
Filming.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Straight for the road.
For the car. What was that?
There we go.
Ejection charge.
Yeah. Yep. Smells like fireworks.
Okay, heads up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright. Episode 1, C3PO launching in.
Let's see if it goes this time. Checking continuity. Oh. Go ahead.
What?
separated.
Yep.
That was the one that, you know,
Go ahead.
Yes.
Okay, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
ooh, good separation.
Other way. Yeah.
There you go. There you go.
Listen to us. Good boy.
Go this way. Nope.
He's gonna.
Come on, come on. There we go.
Yay! A true patriot.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
When you kept America's roses, mighty shield. Oh, that's a big spill hole.
All those who are driving cars must yield.
Okay, I'll get it.
A little bit on the side.
Oh, the wind has blew it off of the road.
Yeah.
My professional prediction is that it might go up and then it'll go down.
I think both will happen.
Go for lunch?
Probably. Yeah, recording.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What they do having that?
812.
Oh my goodness.
In there we put firepower.
About $8 rocket motor. Yeah.
Oh gee.
Go ahead.
You get $8 worth of excitement out of that? Yeah. Okay.
Well, that's why we record it though.
Yeah.
$8 a rerun. So I was correct. It went up and then it came down right there. It survived. Chute did not deploy. Which is a good thing for this one.
There we go.
Where is it? Yeah.
It's over here.
Where is it?
Now it's in the sun.
Okay.
We'll make it. It's coming down. That's good.
There it is.
Very good. Very good.
Okie doke.
Maybe you need to aim a little bit this way.
Yeah.
That's good.
Oh, wind got it.
Oh. Oh my goodness.
That's one more credit.
That's not a happy tourist.
Nope. 0 to 5 stars. Came to Hawaii, got bombarded.
Got attacked
Yep. Assailed by
by Tintin.
Tintin.
All right, this guy has survived 5 launches on a C6.
Cool.
We'll see if today is the day.
Oh, you're missing the chute. Missing the chute. It's still in the road. Gotta get it before sea turtle. Ain't no parking your rocket here, man.
How did the parent?
No parking your rocket here. I love the zoom feature on
Gary
this.
was not kidding. He can figure out a way to lose a rocket. Because I first met him over at Command Air Parks over by Bishop.
The Rocketeer, having fun.
The red and white one.
The red and white
Oh,
one.
it's
Okay, the roadkill.
Tintin moon rocket.
Tintin moon rocket.
I
don't
got
see
everything
any
back
damage.
except the nose cone.
Oh,
Oh, that was flattened?
No, couldn't find it.
Oh, just couldn't find it.
But I couldn't like linger around there.
so it's
'cause
underneath an SUV somewhere.
Yeah.
that
it's-
it's flat by the side of the road.
It's like up.
Guys, because this one is an easily. Some rockets are luckier than others, you know? Like at 6 point you can survive it.
Rocket. Bunch of thorns and death. Rocket, death. Rocket, death. Of all the places it could have landed.